Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if C equals this, then trace of this is. So, we need to find out trace of this. Okay? Now, you know that first you have to calculate C and then you have to find out the pattern in C. Now, look at this. What I'm telling you, just observe this matrix. It is 1 4 6 7 2 5 9 8 3. Look at this matrix. 1 4 6 7 2 5 9 8 3. Don't you think the extremes are the symmetric matrix? So can I say that C is A transpose, and then we have B? So can I write B, A transpose, where I feel that A is equal to, okay, leave. This is A transpose. Now focus on B. So who is B? B, if you will observe now, so you will find that transpose of B is nothing but minus of B, correct? Just look at this. So what I am trying to do, this question, these guys are using transpose, so I'll go with transpose. Okay, now so taking transpose both side, so B, A transpose, and then whole transpose. Now you know that while taking transpose, if things are in product, it changes the order, means shoes and socks and shoes method. Okay, so we have to write A transpose, then B transpose, then A transpose. Now you know that A transpose will become A. Okay, now this is B transpose and this is A transpose. Now you know that B transpose is minus of B. So can I write minus of A transpose, which is nothing but negative of this, correct or wrong? Now can I write C transpose is equal to minus C? This means I feel that the matrix C is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so if C is skew symmetric matrix, now you guys can apply the properties of skew symmetric matrix. Now observe, this is of order 3 cross 3, this is of order 3 cross 3. So if you will multiply, you will have 3 cross 3 matrix, correct? So suppose you have multiplied this with this and you got 3 cross 3. Again you are multiplying it with 3 cross 3. So again you will get 3 cross 3 order matrix. Means C is an odd order matrix, which is skew symmetric matrix. So you know that if C is odd order skew symmetric matrix, CQ will also be odd order skew symmetric matrix. And in skew symmetric matrix, you know that the diagonal element will be 0. So trace of these things will become what? Trace of this 0, trace of this 0, trace of this 0, so many times, and the 0 plus 0 plus 0, you guys are best in calculation, you know how to add zeros, correct? So the correct answer is 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.